Narito ang top 10 highest paying job sa Pilipinas. Number 10, accountant at 48,800. Number 9, geologist at 49,000 pesos. Number 8, medical doctor, generalist, medical practitioner at 51,200 pesos. Pang-pito, statistician at 51,600. Number 6, specialist medical practitioner at 57,400. Number 5, programmer at 58,600. Number 4, production supervisor and general foreman at 63,000 pesos. Number 3, mathematician and actuaries at 69,600. Number 2, software developer at 70,500. At nangunguna syempre ang aircraft pilot, mga piloto at 135,500. Tandaan na ang mga sahod na ito ay entry level lamang at hindi kasama ang mga supervisor at manager. Ikaw, ano ang trabaho mo at magkano ang sahod mo?